Hello, I am a representative of the President of the United States, who is currently being transported to a secure location. At this time, our great republic is in a state of national emergency. At 6:38 p.m. today, reports of a new virus, named MTL-77X by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, is spreading rapidly across our nation. MTL-77X is extremely dangerous according to the CDC. Symptoms including the following: coughing, muscle cramps, headache, abdominal pain, weakness, excessive bleeding from any existing wounds, green blood vessels in the organs, and coma. About 5 minutes after a victim loses consciousness, the victim will begin to experience internal material conversion, and all organs and some areas of the skin will transform into a biological metal. This process also always includes the brain, although full conversion is rare. MTL-77X victims will then begin to behave extremely violently towards uninfected organisms. Only humans can be infected, while other life forms cannot. MTL-77X infected victims can be identified after conversion by the following: metal patches on the skin, mechanical eyes with glowing red or blue pupils, robotic voice, stiff movements of infected lips, and extreme hostility. If you see an MTL-77X conversion victim, use of lethal force is authorized. They are no longer considered human. MTL-77X is considered a national level threat, and all uninfected persons receiving this message are ordered to avoid when possible, exterminate when unavoidable. If you are sheltering in place, do not look outside, make noise, or generate excessive heat, light, or electricity. Further updates will be broadcast as they become available. God bless the United States.